welcome to another Eva Investigates. Today, this episode is going to be about Bonfire Night Special. First, we're going to a Bonfire Night event. I'm looking forward to the fireworks, the big fire, and having some nice hot drinks. We're just getting ready to go. Fireworks can be different colours, but if children use them and go crazy and burn them near their face, it can get dangerous. But if they don't, it cannot. Sparklers do go sparkly, but at the end you have to throw them on the floor, because if you don't, it might get hot on your hand. When we went there, I was really happy. Because when I watched the fireworks, I got really happy because I really liked it. My favourite bit was eating pizza and watching the fireworks. Now we are going to set up our own fireworks at home safely.
So Eva, got some fireworks to look at. Okay, so first up, we've got in here, there's some monster sparklers. They're going to be really cool. And then Eva, look at this. This is our box of fireworks. Charlie's looking too. So be careful with these, delicate, remember this.
Please be really careful using fireworks. Let's have some brilliant Bonfire Night facts. It was once illegal to not celebrate Bonfire Night. Guy Fawkes was born in York, which is where we live. Fireworks were invented by accident. King Henry VIII was first to have a fireworks display. Your average sparkler burns between 1,000 and 1,500 degrees Celsius. We have to stay back, otherwise we might get hurt. Only the grown-ups do the fireworks, but we can use them as with sparklers.
You ready? Not far up in the tree. Woo! Oh, you show a cat. Big eyes.
I like book. I like
If you fall in this end here. Good boy. That's right. Yeah. Do your circles, yeah.
Yeah.